This is Aaron Dunn speaking. This is my first official intro. May God bless every one of you. Hello, ladies and gentlefish, including Trisha, H, and all the others. This is Aaron Dunn speaking. I'm here to do the 16th retest call of the retest call series to this GE General Electric 26990GE1-D 900 MHz cordless analog telephone with digital answering system. So anyways, let's get to the calling of it real quick. Can you hear the dial tone perfectly? Alrighty then, so let me go ahead and call it up real quick. Here we go. There it goes. One more ring. Are you kidding me? Let me try that again.
Your message after the tone.
Hello? Okay, let me try that again one more time. There it goes.
Please leave your message after the tone.
Recording a message at the end of the tone. Thank you very much for letting me call this machine. This is the GE General Electric 26990GE1-D 900 MHz cordless analog telephone with digital answering system. Have a blessed evening. Alright, bye-bye. I have a new message.
You have one message. Message one.
Recording a message at the end of the call. Thank you very much for letting me call this machine. This is the GE General Electric 26990GE1-D 900 MHz cordless analog telephone with digital answering system. Have a blessed evening. Alright, bye-bye.
Tuesday, 4:19 p.m. End of messages.
That was it for this video. May God bless every one of you. Thank you for watching my videos. May God bless every one of you.